What's up, gang? It's your boy Mr. TGM, and I'm back with another video. Today we doing the upgrade on the S550. That's right, I ain't seen any videos showing people how to hook these monitors up in the vehicle. So this is my S550. Got it on 22s. I'm pretty sure I'll have a review of the car by the time this video go up. But I'm hooking up rear monitors. So I was looking for a Mercedes with the rear entertainment package, and I just couldn't find one. So I said, you know what, I'm gonna just make it work and do what it do. So I was like, I'm gonna go out and put my own headrests in there. So I want to show y'all how to wire these things in for those who got an S550 and looking to do it on your own. It's very easy, man, super easy. Don't get discouraged. I'm gonna run through it real quick and show y'all what I got. So I went and purchased some iPads slash monitors off of eBay for $306. They're 13.3 inches. It's Android compatible. It's also Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. It has an LED panel, which I like. You can get on Netflix, you can get on the internet, Facebook, IG. You can do all that on here. It's an iPad, which is dope, because the AMGs, I don't know if you can do all that. The screens was a little bit small. I think there was either 9 or 10 inches, and it was too plain. So I went with something a little bit upgrade. You can also put the Mercedes-Benz logo as a screensaver, or your car, or whatever you want, on the background. So when you're riding, it'll just have that screensaver available, which is dope. You can also mirror from your phone to the monitor and play movies. So that's another cool feature. And I can also hook these TVs up to my DVD player that's in my S550, and I can play all 3 screens at one time. So it's real good reviews. I think I got seen all 5 stars on these. So if y'all looking for those, go check them out on Amazon. $306, I believe. But the reason why I'm making the video is because nobody explains how to do the wiring, man. You know what I'm saying? No. I'm not like politically correct on how to do it. I'm just telling you the way I do it, the hood version, man, on how to wire this if you trying to do it on your own. You know, I'm just basically showing you guys how to run your wire, hide your wire, so that it's not exposed everywhere. It's probably better ways to do it, but this is just the way I came up with it. So I was gonna initially run the wire down here, fish it down, and I just was like, nah, I'm not gonna do it. The screens are so big, they come like past here and then like up here, so you're not gonna see this wire. You like, I'm gonna tuck it in. It's just gonna be like sitting right here, real snug. You won't see it. But basically what I did is I just pulled this out, ran the wire all the way down, back over here, all the way down. I came up underneath here. You don't have to pull anything up. There's an opening right there. Came up underneath there and ran the wire out, right? I took the front part off for the AC vent, and then there's the air vent, and then here's for the power. So I'm going to tap into those wires to get power to the monitors. But I ran an HDMI cord as well from one seat to another. Just follow that same pattern down here, up underneath there, through here, back out on this side, all the way up over here. So that's what you guys see right there. Sorry for the glare. Give me 1 second. There we go. So very easy, very simple for you guys to do it. I also got some testers just to get just to figure out which is the hot wire. I got a ground source that I'm gonna use right here. So yeah, you guys looking to do it on your own, man, don't be afraid to try it. It's not that hard. This is my first time. I'm gonna get back with you guys once everything is hooked up. And then again, yeah, this is S5. Y'all see what it look like in a second. Be right back. All right, y'all, we chime back in. So this is the final project of the TV installation. As you see, like, it looks super clean. You know, only thing I don't like is that I didn't run the wire through up here. I kind of ran it on the side, zip tied it, tucked it where the seam is at, so you can't really tell that it's in there, but there's no wires down there. Screen is pretty huge. I like it though, man. It looks really good. It's a real clean fit, real nice look to the S550. If I had to pick from the AMG TVs opposed to these do way more, man. It's just a better look. That 4K looks good. Let me show y'all. I mean, I can play my videos in here. You can mirror off your phone, like I said, and put it to the screen. I can hook it up to that TV if I want to. Yeah, man, it's just a good look. Right now, I have Wi-Fi in my car, but I'm using my mobile hotspot right now. Oh, I think I turned it off. But anyway, y'all kind of get the picture of, you know, what they look like. I like the little blue lights. There's so you got your music, videos, your apps, your auxiliary to change, do single TVs. You can go on Facebook, Instagram. You can kind of do all of it, man. You know, it's just a good look. You know, that's my Facebook. Look at the picture of that, man. I look crazy, stupid clear. So yeah, if y'all ask me if I would go with these are the AMG, I definitely would do these. These are a lot better, man. Just a way cleaner look. You got your Netflix as well, YouTube, which I was just on. I don't know why the YouTube ain't playing. Yeah, there you go. Yeah. And then I still can have the regular. I could have the regular joint going on over there. You see what I'm saying? They also have speakers in them, so you can turn the speakers off. That's probably what I would do if I ride, is turn the speakers off and ride like that, man. But yeah, man, it's a good look, real nice TV, man. Just wanted to kind of give y'all an update of what it looked like. As y'all can see, there's no wires hanging on the ground. I did it real neat. Just follow my instructions, and you won't see any wires. You know, wires up there. Just look good, man, real clean. So until next time, y'all, TGM, Link Gang. You know, I'm gonna pull that thing out in a little bit, man, and give y'all a walk around of that thing. But y'all jump in the comments and let me know what y'all think, too.